Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Kia delivers one of the best three-row SUVs with the Telluride, an incredibly well-packaged Carnival minivan. And for those without such a needy space requirement, a compelling mid-size family sedan in the K5, fighting strong competition from the 10 best-winning Honda Accord. The K5 offers a lot for its price. Most K5s are powered by a 2.5-liter inline 4 front-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive can be added at some trim levels. Most K5 models are powered by a 191 HP 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Using that engine, the K5 comes standard with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. The full Monte GT model has a more powerful turbo 2.5-liter 4 that generates 290 horses and 311 pound-feet of torque, along with its exclusive 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, also available on the Hyundai Sonata N line. The sportiest K5 is fitted with bigger brakes, a unique suspension tune, and wider tires on larger 19-inch rims. The GT we drove sprinted to 60 mph in just 5.2 seconds and stopped from 70 mph in 163 feet. The Sonata N line, which shares the same engine and transmission, was slightly quicker to 60 mph 5.0 seconds and stopped even shorter 152 feet. The EPA hasn't released estimates for the K5 with the base 4-cylinder engine yet, but the K5 GT is rated for 24 mpg city and 32 highway. Inside, the K5 looks great for how much it costs, and this year's refresh improves the ambience even more. The layout is both sophisticated and straightforward, and the cabin is appointed with attractive materials such as wood trim on the dash and doors. The K5 also offers an array of upscale interior features, such as ambient interior lighting on the dash and doors, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a wireless charging pad. The K5 comes standard with a 2.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that shares a bezel with the gauge cluster. In some models, that gauge cluster is a 2.0-inch digital unit that can be reconfigured to show a variety of info. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration is standard across the lineup. The Kia K5 sedan gets styling updates for 2025. The K5's new headlights and taillights, as well as a major update to its interior, were first debuted on the Korean market. K5. The price of the 2025 Kia K5 starts at $28,145 and goes up to $35,645 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.